Welcome to 918 Southard Street and Southard Square, located in the heart of Old Town, Key West. Nestled among lush tropical foliage, adjoining a refreshing community pool, Unit 105 is a one-level condo on the ground floor. The delightful wraparound porch and private patio surrounds this newly renovated two-bedroom, two-bath, corner unit. Entering the home, you are greeted with numerous windows and sliding glass doors, revealing bright sunlight. The open living and dining area offers a built-in bar. The custom kitchen has bright white cabinets with stainless appliances. The guest and TV room is directly across from a large bathroom. Leading down the hallway is another large bathroom, a built-in dressing area, and a master bedroom. This unit has large closets and abundant storage. You're sure to enjoy island life with this beautiful community pool and clubhouse. Park your car in your designated space and walk to shops and restaurants in Key West. 918 Southard Street.